just to kind of see the kind of a feel that I can get from them. So when I'm looking at drawing, a lot of times I think about like the emotional feel of the piece, you know, when people look at it at the end, you know, like what kind of a feel am I going for? So I have some that are...
So the reason I was saying that, you know, there's an infinite amount of different ways that the instrument could be played. And one is, I discovered that I could play the harp like this. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like